Downpipes are typically one of the most cost-effective ways to add power to your turbocharged vehicle. Having an excellent experience with ARM Motorsports in the past, they were our first call when it came time to order downpipes for the M4. So let's open the box and see what's inside. ARM Motorsports has never disappointed us. These things look beautiful. ARM currently offers downpipes for the G8X cars in both catted and catless with resonator options. Regardless of which you choose, both are made of 304 stainless steel and will sound great for years to come. Now let's get these on the car and see how they fit. Let's see what it does. We set out to test the capabilities of our M4 using OTS maps from boot mode, and the results were impressive. Here's a breakdown of our findings. Starting as a bone stock 2021 M4 Competition, we observed a remarkable 472 wheel horsepower and 475 foot-pounds of torque. Upon upgrading to stage 2 with 93 octane, the numbers significantly increased to 567 wheel horsepower with 556 foot-pounds of torque. We then experimented with an E30 blend, witnessing an even higher output of 614 wheel horsepower and 600 foot-pounds of torque. To push the boundaries even further, we installed new ARM Motorsports downpipes while using an E30 blend, resulting in 617 wheel horsepower and 610 foot-pounds of torque. Finally, we introduced even more E85 into the mix and reflashed the car with a Stage 2 E50 blend map, achieving an incredible total of 637 wheel horsepower and 622 foot-pounds of torque. The difference between the stock configuration and the current setup, which only includes a downpipe and OTS tune, is a staggering 165 wheel horsepower and 147 foot-pounds of torque. We would like to express our gratitude to Boot Mode and ARM Motorsports for their exceptional support and expertise. Overall, the process of building our M4 has been immensely enjoyable, and we eagerly anticipate even greater gains for the future. Stay tuned for what's coming next. We think you're going to love it.